today's topic of discussion of properties of matrix transpose. Okay. At first पहले मैं कहता हूँ कि मैट्रिक्स ट्रांसपोज होता क्या है. मतलब ए बी एनी मैट्रिक्स ए बी सी डी, द ट्रांसपोज इज डिनोटेड बाय ए टी एंड व्हिच डू नथिंग, सिर्फ कन्वर्टिंग रो into column. That's this row transfer to this column and this row transfer to this column. This is the transpose basically. So some properties are here. So the first property is the transpose of a transpose of matrix is the particular matrix. So a matrix and its transpose is AT, and a transpose, that transpose is equals to that particular ring. Okay, if you think this is the first property. Okay, so this is a transpose, and a transpose, that transpose what, this row, this row convert to AC and this row convert to BD. This is the matrix A. First property. The second property is the summation of transpose of matrices is equals to A plus B whole transpose equals to separated of matrix and those transposes, A transpose plus B transpose, and in similarly A minus B transpose equals to A transpose minus B transpose. Let's try an example. Let A equal to 1 2 3 4, B equal to 2 3 1 5. So A transpose what, 1 2 3 4, B transpose what, 2 3 1 5. And now the first A plus B transpose equals to what, 1 plus 2, that is 3, 2 plus 3, that is 5, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, its full transpose, that is equals to 3 5 and 4 9. And now A transpose plus B transpose equals to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 3 5, 4 plus 5 9. Is this and this equal or not? This and this are equal. So in the similar way this is equal. You can check it out yourself. So the third property is the multiplication of matrix transpose is also the similar but something different. That is A B all transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is different. At first coming B, then coming A. Let's try to check an example. Let A equals to 1 2 3 4, B equals to 1 1 2 1, and then AB equals to 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 1. That's that 1 1 1 plus 2 2 4 1 1 1 plus 2 1 2 3 plus 8 3 plus 4, that is equals to 5 3 11 7, and A B transpose equals to 5 3 11 7, and transpose that's equals to 5 3 11 7. And the similarly B transpose into A transpose, check now, right? So that transpose and A transpose equal to that transpose, that is equals to 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 4. So now B transpose into A transpose equals to what, 1 2 1 1 1 3 2 4. So 1 1 1 plus 2 2 4, 1 3 3 plus 2 4 8, 1 1 1 plus 1 2 2, 1 3 3 plus 1 4 4. 5, 11, 3, 7. This is exactly equals to AB whole transpose. So the third property is hold, and the fourth and the last property and the important property is any square matrix we can produce this matrix the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So any square matrix we can produce an symmetric plus skew symmetric matrix sum up. Okay, so I will just try that proof and then I will take an example of a particular theorem. Okay, let you know what is symmetry matrix and what is skew symmetric matrix. So सिमेट्रिक मैं तुम लोग कह देना चाहता हूं कि सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स वो मैट्रिक्स होता है जिसका कोई मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज is exactly equals to this matrix. Then we say that this is symmetric matrix, and skew symmetric matrix is those matrices transpose equal to minus of those matrix. This is the difference of matrix skew symmetric matrix. So at first we should check this and that and that. So let x equals to half of a plus a transpose and y equals to half of a minus a transpose. Okay, where a b any square matrix also a transpose. Okay, my aim to show that the square matrix A equals to x plus y. Our aim to show that where x is a symmetric matrix or y is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so for that reason we take x equal to that and y equal to that. Okay, मुझे x को सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स दिखाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, x ट्रांसपोज. बट x ट्रांसपोज इक्वल्स टू a plus a transpose and whole transpose. Okay, that's what have any number, so that's out of bracket. Here a transpose plus a transpose that is equals to half of a transpose plus a, that is equals to x. So what we show, x transpose equals to x. So x what, x is symmetric. I just show you why I take x and y equals to this and that. Why I take that, I just show you after proving this theorem. Okay, and in similar way y transpose equals to what, upper a minus a transpose. Okay, now that's transpose. So half a transpose minus a transpose, that transpose, that's equals to half of a transpose minus a minus half of a minus a transpose, that is equals to minus y. Okay, so what is that, that is y transpose equals to minus y. So this is skew symmetric matrix. Now I show you that what a equals to a equals to what, half of a plus a transpose plus half of a minus a transpose. What is that, half of a plus half of a transpose plus half of a minus half of a transpose, that exactly equals to what, half of a, that's a. For why I choose x equals to that and y equal to that, the reason is this is addition is particular a. So for that reason I can take x equal to that and y equal to that. Okay, this is not the proving, but I just show you for your clarification. Okay, so a equal to what, half of a plus a transpose plus half of a minus a transpose, that is equals to x plus y, where x is symmetric and y is skew symmetric. यही तो मैं प्रूव करना चाहता था कि एनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स को मैंने सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक एंड स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स कर दिया. सो दैट्स एग्जाम्पल. You check yourself. Any example you take, the first property that this matrix can square matrix, and that is symmetric, and that is scheme symmetric. These three rules you have to know and that check it out. Okay.